first speech, and a very warm welcome for him, please, from you, all of you, is Stephan Guttowski. He's head of the central office for the research factory, now I'm getting it wrong, the FMD, Forschungsfabrik Mikroelektronik Deutschland. And you go ahead.
And the Fraunhofer Group for Microelectronics, and thank you very much. Okay. I have some notes here because I don't want to say anything wrong. Not too much things wrong. Thank you very much that I can be here. First of all, dear colleagues, dear Mr. Werns from the BMBF, dear wonderful students, a wonderful to our wonderful gala evening. Very warm welcome. Before I start, I would like to take this opportunity to thank those you have organized all this. Nadia, Claudia, and Jacqueline. Thank you very much. You are really fantastic. Yeah, it's a fantastic job. Thank you. I'm very happy that this is here in a nice location. Then I would like to thank that I really be able to be here back at this student camp, because it's the second student camp for me, and also for the first student camp I was so encouraged, so delighted to see all these young people here, and with these many ideas and enthusiasms and all these. I'm so glad that it's possible, because please, I have to say something more personal, because I was born and I grew up in a country where the young people always told that they are the future. In East Germany, it was really the case. You could go wherever you want. You have heard, you are the future. Then we have seen this reunification, and I wasn't not young anymore, and I didn't hear that anymore. And so I thought, maybe I forgot it a little bit. But now I would like to say it again. Today we hear AI is the future, cloud computing is the future, all these things are the future. And I tell you, it's all wrong. You are the future. You young people in our country are the future. And that's the thing I would like to say here. And don't forget this. Please remain curious, critical, and never let yourself be held back by statements such as, we have always done it in this way, for example. Don't do this. Or, that won't work. You are the future, and I'm sure you will make it. Thank you.